这声音就屏蔽掉嘛，对吧？
对。After we fill the glue in the A tank and the B tank, we need to fill in the alcohol to the cleaning tank. This is alcohol, and you can also use acetone, but we suggest to use alcohol because it's less harm to your body, to your health. Every time you add the alcohol, no more than 2 or 3 of it. Upmost here, no more than 2 or 3. Okay, now close it. So before we start, we need to open these 2 valves, air in, so the pressure will be balanced. And remember to open the valve under the tank. You need to open the bottom valve.